Training 101, Health and Safety, Preventive Measures Against Any Type of Viruses and Bacteria.
Good day, everybody. This is Daddy Rick again. So, here we are at Al Raji camp in Shimalia. And this video is intended to show you regarding the proper way of social distancing that everybody should understand regarding this period to prevent this sickness that is, or this pandemic that is happening around the world. So, we will be showing you step by steps regarding proper social distancing, what is right and what is wrong, proper hand washing, wearing your masks, your gloves, and everything that will help us to prevent this pandemic that's happening right now. So join us and we will show it to you accordingly, step by step. So everybody, don't skip. Watch until the end so you will not miss any important details regarding your safety. Okay, now here we are to show you the normal greeting structure, the culture that not only in Arab countries is happening but also worldwide. We have this handshaking system, hugging, kissing, right, cheek to cheek, whatever type of greetings. But as of now, worldwide, we are promoting the system of social distancing. What do you mean by social distancing? Social distancing is to prevent contacts with anybody, even from your loved ones, even from friends, even from colleagues, or anybody. With this situation, we will still continue giving the proper way of greetings, but with the proper distance. But at this time, I want you to see how it was done when they are doing the normal culture of greetings. So, join me. So, as what we are saying, we are trying to prevent this type of greetings at this moment. We are not trying to break the culture, but we are trying to prevent the situation of spreading this pandemic. So, for this time, we are suggesting that you should do this type of greetings to prevent any transmission. But as I said earlier, you don't know whom is the carrier or not. Is it safe to do that kind of greetings or not? So it will be better if you will do it this way.
يعني يا زول مع الكورونا دي ما أي سنة من على البعد يا أستاذ عشان نحفظ صحتنا وصحة أخواننا المسلمين وصحتك أنت. سلام من على البعد، رفع باليدين لا تأثر عليك بشيء. شكرا.
So you can see that will be the best way to prevent a contact with anyone that you are greeting right now. It is a preventive measure that you should understand that you still respect the culture, but still you are preventing to be sick from anyone that you don't know if they are carrying this virus. As we are tackling regarding the social distancing, there's another thing that I want you to see. The normal cultures about us, no, whatever nationality we are, we love eating together in the house, at work, with the colleagues, in one table, and enjoying while we are sharing things, ideas, while we are enjoying our lunch, our breakfast, or our dinner, right? But at this moment of time, as we are promoting this social distancing, please, we have to understand that we are not turning our backs to anyone, to our family, to our friends, to anybody, but we are trying to help each other to prevent getting sick regarding this unfortunate situation that we are facing right now. So I just want you to see the difference regarding when the normal situation, when we are not afraid of anything. This is how we do our things when we are enjoying our lunch with some colleagues.
Here, as you can see, when everything is normal, we enjoy time having our meal with friends, with families, enjoying together at one table, talking, chit-chatting, and everything. But at this moment that we are facing this pandemic, it will be better and it will be best that we should stop this kind of situation to prevent any transmittal of the so-called pandemic that we are facing right now. It will be better to be safe than sorry.
But that is on the normal period of time. For this moment, the only thing that you have to do to keep yourself safe and your colleagues safe, and if everybody's thinking of safety of each and every one of us, just follow the social distancing at this moment, and don't forget that friendship are still there. Even at home, practice this situation at this moment of time. Watch this.
As we wanted to be safe and others to be safe, it will be best to follow this procedure, especially at work or in any public restaurants that we are having our meal, for us to be sure that we will not be having any contacts to anyone and to anybody for everybody's safety.
At this point, we will show you the most important thing for you to prevent the viruses, the proper hand washing procedure. And at this time, you can see here is our hand washing sinks, and you can see our posters to remind everybody the proper procedures of hand washing. So we call it the 6 steps to fight the bacteria and the viruses. So we will show you how is the proper procedures for hand washing. First, you have to wet your arms, your hands and your arms. Get the soap, apply it in your hands and in your arms. You scrub your arms and in your hands for at least 20 to 30 seconds, scrubbing every part on your palm, in your arms, on the top of your palm, and every finger. Do not rush. You don't need to rush. The best thing when you are doing this is you have to sing the happy birthday song. Then you have to rinse. You have to rinse properly. Then, don't turn off the faucet after rinsing. Get a paper towel. Dry your arms and your hands. And before throwing the tissue that you use to dry your arms and your hands, use that one to turn off the faucet and throw it in the proper garbage bin. That is the proper way of hand washing procedure. At this time, we will show you how to wear the mask properly and how you take out the mask from your face without touching your skin to do it the proper way.
A blessed day to everybody. My name is Kabashi, Mohammed. I'm working with Al-Raji here in the Shimalia Camp Project in Al-Gaba, Sudan as a chef. Today, I will be explaining to you regarding different types of masks to protect us from this pandemic of COVID-19 virus. Here, I will show you the two types of masks. We have the surgical masks and the N95 masks. First, I will explain to you regarding the surgical masks. As you can see, on the top of the mask, you will feel this hard thing on that side of the mask. So that side will be on the top of your face, above your nose, and this one should be under your chin. This is how you will put the masks on. Okay? Then you have to pull it down under your chin. Now you can see the blue one should be outside and the white one should be inside because that's the absorbent part. And you don't have to forget to pinch this side on your nose so it will be locked down under your eyes. That's the proper way of putting up this surgical mask. But as you can see, this is not totally safe because there's still an opening on the side where the virus can enter to go in your nose, in your mouth. Okay. So it is good, but it's not 100% protection. So you can feel that this side is laminated. So this is to protect from any spills coming inside. If you're about to take out your mask, you don't have to do of taking out from here or from here, so you will be touching your skin in your face. The proper way to do is to use your hands on the front of the masks, pull it out, take out the strings to your ears and to the other side, and throw it properly in the proper garbage, so to prevent touching your skin. And this is the N95. The proper way of using the N95 is doing like this and have that metal one above your nose and spread above your head, and that's the way that you have to put the strings. So as you can see, this one is totally covering your nose and your mouth. So there's a big possibility that it will protect you from the virus. Again, when you're taking out the masks, you should not do the same thing of touching your skin or from your hands, because you don't know if your hands are dirty. So you have to do it like this, pull it out from the front and take it out above your head and throw it properly onto the garbage. And after that, you have to wash your hands with lukewarm water and soap for at least 20 seconds before you take a new mask and replace it again and again to cover your face for the next protection. You don't have to use the same masks if it is already taking too long for you wearing it, especially at work. So with this situation, it will protect you from this COVID-19 virus. And don't forget that you always have to wash your hands properly every time that you have to replace the masks. So I hope that you learn how to use the masks properly, and let us fight the COVID-19 together. God bless. Thank you very much.
Here we are again. So we will be showing you the proper way and the procedures on how you will use the gloves.
A blessed day again, everybody. Again, this is Kabashi Muhammad, and now I'll be explaining to you regarding the good hand protection, the disposable gloves. As you can see, we have here these rubber gloves. This is a disposable one. It's not a reusable one, and you cannot wash it. So this is only good for one-time use. Now I will show you how you use the gloves properly. But before you have to wear the gloves, you always have to remember that you need to wash your hands at least 20 seconds to 30 seconds using lukewarm water and a soap, and don't forget to dry your hands before putting up the gloves. And as you can see, I will be putting the gloves properly. This is how you will do it. You just have to keep every fingers according to each part of the gloves. And you need to have a good size of the gloves according to the size of your hands. Okay? Now, we will be putting the second one. Be very careful when you are putting the gloves in your hand so you will not break it. Remember, at this moment of time, these PPEs are very important to help us to prevent the transmission of COVID-19 virus. Now, everything is okay. As you can see, it's in my hands. Now, always remember that the gloves is still your hands. It will be the one to absorb all bacteria and viruses when you are working. Like me, I am working in the kitchen. I am not allowed to use the same gloves in all the tasks that I am working. So I have to replace the gloves in every task after I finish each one. Now, I will be showing to you how you will take out the gloves properly for your own safety. Okay, so you cannot do it like this, touching your skin with the other hands with the gloves. Okay, so it's not good because you can contaminate your skin on the top here. Also, it's not good. This is not the right way. Okay, you should do like this. You have to pull away from the end of the gloves, pull it up, and slowly take it out. Then it's gone. Now, to take the other one, you have to go now because these hands are free. Okay, cover that one with the palm. Okay, and now you can enter your one finger under that entry of the gloves. So you have to make it wide and put the other fingers wide and take it out. Now, as you can see, all the bacteria and the viruses are inside the gloves, and it's all together. So it's joined together because you grab it properly. Now, the best thing to do is to throw it in the proper garbage bin for proper disposal for safety. Okay. Then before you replace your gloves, you have to remember that you need to wash your hands with a lukewarm water and soap for at least 20 to 30 seconds to be sure, dry it before putting the next glove for the next task that you are about to do. The gloves will protect you to touch your face, no? To remember that you don't have to touch your face or your skin, and even shaking hands. I hope this helps you. Thank you very much. As we raise awareness regarding this fight against this pandemic, it is highly recommended for us to have the right PPEs either from work or at home to ensure our safety against any types of viruses and bacteria. With this situation, we will be able to win this war. Take care and God bless. Please follow the right thing.
That's it. You see, it's all very basic and simple things that you need to follow that will make you safe and others safe at the same time. These hand washing procedures, proper glove system, wearing your masks, social distancings are the only basic things that we need to follow to ensure that we will not be transmitting this pandemic. Okay? It's just the basic things that we need to understand. We don't have to complain and complain and complain and complain. The only thing that we need to do is to comply. Governments are closing the roads, everything, curfews here, curfew there, lockdowns and everything. It is not a penalty or punishment to everyone. Every country, every government is looking forward to keep their people's safety. So, as you see with this training blog that I created, I just want to clarify that I don't created this only for our company, but it is for everybody. So they can share, they can spread the knowledge, so everybody will be aware and everybody should understand that these simple things will keep you healthy and alive. Remember guys, worldwide, the frontliners are dying anywhere because they are trying to do their job to help all those infected people. So please, if you don't have anything to do outside your house, stay at home. It's a very basic and simple thing for your safety. Okay? They are dying. They are being infected. They are not superheroes. They are not superhuman beings. They are humans like us, but they have this responsibility to ensure that to try their best to keep all those infected people to live longer, to recover. But unfortunately, we see that the data of how many are already gone and how many frontliners are already gone. We are more than the frontliners that we have in every country. So please, if we will lose all our frontliners, who will take care of us if you don't want to take care about yourself? Nobody. And this pandemic will just erase the entire human race. Is that what we want? Come on. It's a very, very simple thing to do. Follow the system, follow the rules, don't break the law, it's for your own safety. Right? Nobody wanted this to happen. We cannot point fingers to anyone anymore. It's already here, worldwide. Why? Because of those hard-headed people. So as we are always saying, if you don't have anything good to say, shut up your mouth. It's better. If you don't have anything to say to solve the problem, and you are the one insisting what you want to do, now you better know you are part of the problem. So, as I said, stay at home. Follow those basic things. Social distancing, proper hand washing, wear your masks, wear your gloves, don't touch your face, don't shake your hands. You are not preventing or disrespecting the culture. The culture will remain. But for now, with the social distancing, we are trying to save every one of us. I hope this is clear for everybody. And again, if you find this topic interesting, don't forget to click like, leave your comments, subscribe, and hit that bell so you will not miss any new topics from me. And don't forget to share. Sharing will help others to be aware, to be vigilant, right? So we can spread the love, the knowledge, and all the care for our family, our loved ones, friends, colleagues, co-workers, everybody around the world. I know many people are already doing this time after time after time. The continuous repetition of doing blogs, news, and everything, but still, it's happening. It's high rising. So to prevent these things to be part of that death list, guys, again, stay at home. Care for yourself and care for your family. And that's it. As I'm always saying, life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. This is Daddy Rick, and I hope that God will bless us, will take care of us for all those people who wants to follow this system to be saved. Thank you very much for watching.